Good morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss about thyroid cancer. In earlier video we have discussed so many diseases of thyroid. Today we are going to discuss about thyroid cancer. So let's begin. Thyroid cancer occurs in the cells of the thyroid gland and it is the more common among adult women as compared to men or youth. And there are different kinds of thyroid cancer which will depend upon the specific cell type that is present on the thyroid gland. Now we will study about their causes. Thyroid cancer occurs when cells in the thyroid undergo genetic changes. Means it occurs when thyroid gland undergoes many genetic changes like mutations. As I have told you in earlier video, mutation is basically the alteration of the DNA sequence. If there is an alteration in the DNA sequence of that particular gene, then it can lead to thyroid cancer. The mutation allows the cells to go uncontrollably, means the power of the cell become uncontrolled. They multiply rapidly and produce lump. Lump basically means it is the compact mass of a substance. In Hindi means गांठ or ढेर. Next, the cell also lost the ability to die as normal cells would. As we know, our body has some programming mechanism so that our new cells are formed and old cells are die. But when thyroid cancer occurs, the cell also lost the ability to die and there is the accumulation of abnormal cells in the thyroid, and when there is a high amount of accumulation of cells in the thyroid, then it turns into a form of tumor. The abnormal cells then intact or invade or attack nearby tissues and spread throughout the body. Next, other thing that can increase risk of thyroid cancer includes number 1, radiation exposure in childhood. In your childhood, if a person is exposed to radiation, then it can also cause thyroid cancer. Next, acromegaly means it is a condition where the body produces too much growth hormone. Next is other thyroid conditions such as inflamed thyroid, as I have told you in earlier video when we have studied about thyroiditis or goiter. Next, we will study about their symptoms. Thyroid cancer typically does not cause any sign or symptoms early in the disease, means at the time of early when the thyroid cancer have developed, it does not cause any sign and symptoms early in the disease, but as it grow more and more, it can cause sign and symptoms. So first is difficulty in swallowing, pain in neck and throat, changes in voice including increasing hoarseness, swollen lymph nodes in neck. Now there are various types of thyroid cancer. First is papillary thyroid cancer, and it is the most common form of thyroid cancer, and it arises from follicular cells. It arises from follicular cells which produce and store thyroid hormones, and it can occur at any age, but most often it affects people in age 30 to 50. Now next type of cancer is thyroid cancer is follicular thyroid cancer, and follicular thyroid cancer basically arises from the follicular cells of the thyroid, and it usually affects people older than age 15. And this type of cancer of thyroid gland is rare, and it is more aggressive type of follicular thyroid cancer which accounts for only 3 to 10% of all differentiate thyroid cancer. Papillary thyroid cancer also occurs in follicular cells which produce and store thyroid hormone, but it can occur at any age, and it occurs or affect people older than age 15, and it is rare and it is usually common papillary type of thyroid cancer. Next cancer is medullary thyroid cancer. Medullary thyroid cancer begins in the thyroid cells called C cells which produce the hormone calcitonin. There are various types of cell present in the thyroid gland: follicular cells, C cells, and this type of C cells usually produce a hormone calcitonin. Elevated level of calcitonin hormone in the blood can cause medullary thyroid cancer at a very early stage. Next, anaplastic thyroid cancer. It is a rare and rapidly growing cancer that is very difficult to treat, and it can typically occur in adults age 60 and older. Now next cancer is thyroid lymphoma. It is a rare form of thyroid cancer that begins in the immune system cells in the thyroid and grows more quickly. Means it is a rare form of thyroid cancer that begins in the immune system cells in the thyroid, and it can grow very rapidly. Thyroid lymphoma typically occurs in adults. Now next, what are their treatments? So treatment depends on the type of thyroid cancer and how far it has spread. Means it will depend which type of cancer a patient is having, or it will depend also what is the severity of the spreading of cancer. Means how much it have spread cancer, how much it have not spread, it will depend on that particular process. Now first treatment is surgery, in which we will remove all the part of the thyroid in which cancer occurs. Next is radioactive iodine treatment. In this we will take radioactive iodine, that is I-131, which is an isotope of iodine, and this emit radiation. When a small dose of I-131 is swallowed, it is absorbed into the blood stream in the GIT and concentrated from the blood by thyroid gland, where it begins destroying the gland cells. Now next treatment is external radiotherapy. In this a machine is used to direct beam of radiation at the cancer cell to kill them. Means we will take a machine and that machine will emit radiations, and these radiation will direct at the cancer cells, which will destroy and kill all the thyroid cancer growing cells. Now next treatment is chemotherapy and targeted therapy, in which we will use some medication to kill cancer cells. I hope you all have understand my video. Thank you.